Hi clarinets, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 4. This is part of the Accent on Review unit, and on today's page, in the upper left-hand corner, we're reviewing some of the low notes, especially A, G, our low F with our right pinky on the F key, and our low E with our pinky on our left key, our right key and our left key. I'm sorry if I said that backwards. F with our right pinky and E with our left pinky. In the left-hand side of the page, we've got a single eighth note and a single eighth rest. Each of those gets half of a beat. And then a dotted quarter note gets 1.5 beats. So a dotted quarter note is longer than a quarter note, but it's shorter than a half note. And then a multiple measures rest. When we have two or more measures where we don't play, we can add those measures together and put the number of measures total on top. And then finally, a syncopation pattern, eighth dotted quarter. We'll see that in one of our songs below. Then we've got a staccato accent. We play that note short, detached, bounced like you're plucking a string, but on our instrument. And then we've got a tempo marking vivace, which means very fast, and the dynamic markings, mezzo forte and mezzo piano. That stands for medium loud and medium soft. Let's jump right into our first exercise. It's number 9 actually, and it's the barcarolle from the Tales of Hoffmann duet. As I always do, I'm going to start by playing part A. You can join me there, or you can play part B for an instant duet. I'm going to use my metronome at 70 beats per minute, a nice slow tempo, in case you're just warming up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Did you catch the first ending and the second ending? How about the B flats? Did you play your B flats? Great. Now I'll switch to part B. You can join me, or you can play part A again and have an instant duet. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, begin. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. One, two, three, 2, 2, 3. How'd you do on that one? I hope you did great. Remember to rewind and review if you need more help or if you need more time playing that one. Next is Deck the Halls. This is a traditional carol. And this has some special things that I want to point out. First is the repeat sign at the end of measure 4. That means that we're going to play those first 4 measures 2 times before moving on. Take care in the first measure of the second line for that F sharp note. Mark it with a pencil if you need to. And make sure you play your staccatos where marked. Short staccato notes, short bouncy light notes. I'm going to take my tempo up just a little bit for this one because you might know it a little faster. I'm only going to speed it up a little bit though, 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, beginning and go. If you need to, pause and practice that song again, and then rewind and repeat it or review it with me. Our last exercise is an American folk song called Billy Boy. It's in 2/4 time. Remember, that means there are 2 counts per measure. However, the first 2 notes are pickup notes. They're 1/8 notes. To start, I'll count 1 and 2 and 1. Following that last one is where you play those pickup 1/8 notes. Join me. Our first note is our low E with 2 pinkies and then F. Ready? 1 and 2 and 1. You may need more practice on that one. That's okay. Take your metronome and set it at a speed and follow that steady tempo and practice that one again, and then come back to this video and practice it along with me to show yourself that you've made your progress. So I hope this has been helpful, and I hope I'll see you again very, very soon. Keep practicing.